Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we will discuss about a topic what is program. Friend, let me tell you that it's a very easy topic to understand, and this topic pertains to project management. And today we will discuss about this topic in terms or in the light of PMP or PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge. This topic is very important if you are going to give an exam of PMP, or also you are going to implement a project, and you are expecting some senior level of post in project management, or you are becoming a program manager. So today we will discuss in this tutorial in a very detail that what is a program. So first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well. So let's start. What is a program? Friend, first of all, we have to see what is our definition. A group of project is termed as a program. There are several projects carried out in an organization, and managing these projects independently becomes a challenge for the organization. Hence, a group of related projects is combined together in a program. This is a basic level of definition. First of all, we have to see what is a project. Okay, first of all, we have to see what is a project. Friend, as per the definition of PMBOK, project is a unique service or product, and it has some starting point and ending point. What does that mean? Um, for example, you are working in a software house, and you have to develop a mobile application for a bank through which customer can use it. So this is a project. Why? Because you will start that project in, for example, in month of January, and it will end in March. So it has some time duration in which you have to complete that project. Also, it's giving some unique product, some unique output, some unique service. So that's why it is a project. Similarly, you can say, if you see, uh, just see this picture. Let's assume that you are making a hospital. Let's assume that you are making an hospital. One building pertains to eye clinic, one building pertains to some other, let's suppose dental clinic, some other related to OPD or the general issues, and another building pertains to any specific, like for example, skin issues. Let's assume, only just an assumption. Okay, so all these building, development of one building is a project, and uh, the projects are interrelated. Interrelated means that it has some output, it has some link between the development of a project. Let's assume that this is a project, this is a project, this is a project, this is, and all these projects are interrelated. This is a group of project. Why? Because try to understand that as a whole, this is a hospital, this is one hospital, and each build development of building is a project, and these projects are interrelated with each other. Interrelated means that resources from here can be moved from here, they can work here, they can work here. The budget behind one building, every building has its own build budget, but overall the budget is being provided from only one hospital. So as a whole, if we see that it's a program. So now again, try to see the definition. Group of project is termed as a program. What is a project? Again, see, the development of one building was a project. Why? For example, if you are working in a hospital, and hospital has a very big vision to develop multiple divisions or multiple buildings. Again, see that definition, again see that example. And for example, the hospital is very big, it has a vision that they will build one building for eye hospital, one building for skin issues, one building for uh, you can say skin issues or some other issues. So they have a vision that they will build 4 buildings, and each building pertains to some medical issue, particular medical issue, like for example eye issues or skin issues or dental issues, etc. So the development of each building is a project. Why? Because it is giving a unique service and product. Like for example, if it is a eye clinic, let's assume, then it will give you all the services related to eye, and also it has some starting and ending one. Why? Because you can say it will start in January and it will end in December. So as a whole it will complete in 1 year. This building will complete in 2 years. This building will complete in 1.5 year. This building will complete in 1 year. So every building has its own time frame to complete, and every building has its own objectives, his own properties, and it has their own service and product. So every building is in terms of project management definition, every building is a project. Development of every building is a project because it's giving you a unique service or product. It has some starting and ending point, time duration, and once the time duration is finished, once the building is finished, so project will be completed. And so that's why we are saying that every development of every building is a project, and as a group, if we see, as a whole if we see, then it is a program. Why? Because a hospital has a vision that they want to build a very big hospital which gives you very big, you can say very standard, the extraordinary services for medical, like eye, dental, skin issues, orthopedic, etc. So they have a vision. And why it is a program? Because as a whole, the each project is interlinked with each other. The resources can be shared. Like for example, if 3 resources are working here, so if needed, so these resources can be worked here as well. If for example one machinery, building machinery was working here, so if needed, so that machinery can be worked here, because the it is as a whole, it is a one program, and the projects are interlinked with each other. So that's why we are saying that group of project is termed as a project. Now again, we need to read this definition. A group of project is termed as program. Just see these buildings. If one building is a project, see from here, there are 4 buildings, so every building is a project. That means there are 4 projects, but these 4 projects are not it is not the case that these 4 projects are independent. Every project is interlinked with the other project. Okay, so there are 4 projects, and every project is interlinked with each other because the resources are shared, the objective is shared. See, the development of a project is having the same objective, which and what is the objective? For example, if ABC hospital is developing these projects, these buildings, so they have a main objective, they have a collective objective, that they will give you a good service, for example. So objective is same, the sponsor is same, resources can be shared. So that's why, and the development as a whole of projects is the objective is same. So that's why we are saying that it is a program, because group of project is termed as program. There are several projects carried out in an organization, and managing these projects independently becomes a challenge for the organization. Hence, a group of related projects is combined together in a program. Friend, just remember this definition: a group of related projects. Just see from here, related, the things which are related. For example, some medical staff is working here, so it can be worked here. Resources can be shared. So they are related, they are interlinked with each other. So that's why we are saying that the group of projects which are interrelated, which are linked with each other, this is called a program. So friend, I hope you like this video. I have tried to explain the concept of program. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and if you have any question, please do ask from me. And that's all from my side. Thank you.